Hi, my name is Daniel Godinez. I play the part of Bob Ewell in the play How to Kill a Mockingbird. In the play, Bob Ewell is the antagonist and has abusive tendencies. He is accusing an innocent black man of raping his own daughter, Mayella Ewell. Bob Ewell lives in the racist part of Alabama. He spends his time drinking a lot and becomes an angry person.
Hi, my name is Felipe Alvarez, and I play the part of Mayella Ewell, and she is a girl that allegedly gets raped by Tom Roberts.
Hi, my name is Brian Sanchez, and I play the part of Sheriff Tate in the play To Kill a Mockingbird. I was the first one at the scene of the crime for Mayella. He was abusive rape, and I saw Mayella was beat up on the right side.
I'm Isabel, and I'm playing Gilmer in the play To Kill a Mockingbird. Gilmer is the prosecutor, and he's defending Mayella and Bob Ewell.
Hi, my name is Oscar Mojica. I play the part of Tom Robinson in To Kill a Mockingbird. In the story, Tom Robinson is the protagonist and is innocent and is being accused of raping a white woman. Even though he's innocent, he is found guilty and accused and killed.
Hi, my name is Sam Calcomey. I play the part of Atticus Finch in the play How to Kill a Mockingbird. In the play, Atticus is the father of Scout and Jem. Atticus is a white man defending Tom Robinson, who is a black man, in a court trial. Atticus is one of the main characters in the play. He believes in morality instead of racism.
Hi, I'm Arayeli Flores, and I play the clerk in the play To Kill a Mockingbird. The clerk, all she's really doing is just saying, place your hand on the Bible and that good stuff, and she just writes down whatever is being said in the court.
Hello, my name is Joey Hatch. I play the part of Judge Taylor in To Kill a Mockingbird. In the play, Judge Taylor is the judge for Tom Robinson's case. Judge Taylor is in the 60s. He is neutral in the Tom Robinson's case, or in Tom Robinson's case. On the night of August 21st, I was just leaving the office to go home when Bob, Mr. Ewell, come in. Very excited he was. And he said, get to his house quick as I could, that his girl had been raped. I got in my car and I went out there as fast as I could. She was pretty well beat up. I asked her if Tom Robinson beat her up. She said yes, he did. I asked if he'd taken advantage of her, and she said yes, he did. That's all there was to it.
Thank you.
Any questions, Atticus? Yes, sir. Did anyone call a doctor?
Well, I don't think it was necessary. She was pretty well beat up. Something sure happened. It was obvious.
Not sure. You say that she was mildly beat up. In what way?
Well, she was beaten around the head. There were bruises already coming on her. And she had a black eye scar.
Which eye?
Let's see. It was her left.
Well, was that for... That was her left facing or looking the way that you were?
Oh yes, that would make it her right eye. It was her right eye, Mr. Finch. Now I remember she was beaten up on that side of her face.
Which side again, Ted?
The right side. She had bruises on her arms and she showed me her neck. There were definite finger marks on her throat.
Around her neck, at the back of her throat?
I'd say they were all around.
Witness may be excused.
Robert, you will take the stand.
Right.
Place your hand on the Bible, please. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Sit down. Now, Mr. Ewell, will you tell us just in your own words what happened on August 21st?
Well, that night I was coming in from the woods with a load of kindling, and I heard Mayella screaming as I got to the fence. So I dropped my kindling and I run just as fast as I could. So I ran into the fence. But when I got loose, I ran up to the window and I seen him with Mayella.
What did you do after you saw the defendant?
I ran around the house trying to get in, but he done run through the front door, just ahead of me. But I seen who it was. All right, I seen him, and I run in the house, and poor Mayella was laying on the floor squalling. Then I ran for Mr. Tate, just as quick as I could.
Uh-huh, thank you, Mr. Yule.
Would you mind if I just ask you a few questions?
No, sir, Mr. Finch. Wouldn't. Sure wouldn't.
Folks, we're doing a lot of running that night. Let's see now. You say that you ran to the window, you ran inside, you ran to Mayella, and you ran to the sheriff. Now, did you during all that running run for a doctor?
There weren't no need to. I seen who done it.
Now, Mr. Yule, you've heard the sheriff's testimony. Do you agree with this description of Mayella's injuries?
I agree with everything Mr. Tate said. Her eye was black. She was mighty beat up. Mighty.
Now, Mr. Yule, can you read and write?
Yes, Mr. Finch, I can read and I can write.
Good. Then will you write your name, please, right there and show us?
Well, that's so interesting.
You're left-handed, Mr. Yule.
Well, what's that got to do with it, Judge? I'm a good parent.
Mayella Yule. Big fan. Place your hand on the Bible. Do you solemnly promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. Sit down.
Now, Mayella, suppose you tell us just what happened, huh?
Well, sir, I was sitting on the porch, and then he comes along. There's this old ship rope in the yard, and I said, you come up here, boy, and bust up the ship rope, and I'll give you a nickel. So he come on in the yard, and I go into the house to get him the nickel, and I turn around, and before I know it, he's on me. And I fought and hollered. But he had me around the neck, and he hit me again and again, and the next thing I knew, Papa was in the room standing over me hollering, who done it, who done it?
Thank you, Mayella. Your witness, Atticus?
Miss Mayella, is your father good to you? I mean, is he easy to get along with?
He does probably.
Except when he's drinking? When he's drowned, has he ever beaten you?
My pa's never touched a hair on my head in my life.
And you say that you asked Tom to come and chop up what was it?
A ship rope?
Was this the first time that you ever asked him to come inside the fence?
Yes.
Did you ever ask him to come inside the fence before?
I might have.
But can you remember any other occasion?
No.
You say he caught me and he choked me and he took advantage of me. Is that right? Do you remember him beating you about the face?
No, I don't recollect if he hit me. Yes, he hit me.
Thank you. Now will you identify the man who beat you?
I most certainly will. Sitting right yonder.
Will you stand up, please? Let's let Mayella have a good long look at you. Tom, will you please catch this? Thank you. Now then, this time will you please catch it with your left hand?
I can't, sir.
Why can't you?
I can't use my left hand at all. I got it caught in the cotton gin when I was 12 years old. All my muscles were torn loose.
Is this the man that raped you?
He most certainly is.
How?
I don't know how he done it. Put your hand on the Bible. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Sit down.
Were you scared with Mayella by way of fuel?
Yes, sir. I had to pass the place going to and from the field every day.
Was there any other way to go?
No, sir. None I know.
Did she ever speak to you?
Why, yes, I did tip my hat when I go by. And one day she asked me to come inside the fence and bust up a paper rope for her. She gave me the hatchet and I broke it up, and then she said, I reckon I have to give you a nickel, won't I? And I said, no, man, there ain't no charge. Then I went home. Mr. Finch, that was way last spring, way over a year ago.
Did you ever go on a quiz again?
Yes, sir.
When?
Well, I went lots of times. It seemed like every time I passed by yonder, she'd have something for me to do. Chopping, caning, cutting water for her.
What happened to you on the evening of August 21st of last year?
Mr. Finch, I was going home as usual that evening, and I passed the wool place. Miss Mayella were on the porch like she said she were. And she said for me to come there and help her for a minute. And then she said to come in the house. She said she had a door needed fixing.
What did you say then?
Oh, I said something like, why, Miss Mayela, that's right nice of you to treat him. And she said, yeah. Well, I said I'd best be going. I couldn't do anything for her.
And what happened after you trained the chair over? You sworn to tell the truth, the whole truth, please. Good. What happened after that?
I got down off the chair and I turned around and she sort of jumped on me. She hugged me around the waist. She reached up and kissed me on the face. She said she never kissed a grown man before and she might as well kiss me. She said for me to kiss her back. And I said to Mayela, let me out of here, and I tried to run. Mr. Rural cussed at me from the window and said she's gonna kill her.
And what happened after that?
I was running so fast I don't know what happened.
You didn't know how to walk?
I did not, sir.
I'm Isabel, and I'm playing Yomer, and he's the prosecutor defending Mayella and Bob Yule. He is, cut.
Because that's what happened, huh? And no lying, please. You have to make it more. Why just say that?
Oh, now do I have to go over there again?
Tom, will you stand up, please? Let's let Mayela have a good long look at you. Tom, will you please?
Here.
Is this against the grade tree?
He knows that we are.
How?
He's done it, he's just done it. I know I can't.
I'm about to do your part with that, you know.
Okay. Well, sir, I was sitting on the porch, and then he comes along. There's this old chip robe in the yard, and the chip robe, and I'll give you a nickel. So he come on in the yard, and I go into the house to get him the nickel.
Louder and slower, dude.
Yeah. If I read it slower, I'm gonna start laughing.
If we run out of memory again, I'm not recording again.
Yeah, Rita. You run out of memory.